Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Liberation through Renunciation, Chapter 18, Shloka 75 and 76. Through the grace of Vyasa, I have heard this supreme and most secret yoga directly from Krishna, the Lord of Yoga, himself declaring it.
Chapter 18, Shloka 75. Vyasa prasadat shrutavan edat guhyam aham param yogam yogeshwarat krishnat sakshat kathayata swayam.
O King, remembering this wonderful and holy dialogue between Krishna and Arjuna, I rejoice again and again.
Chapter 18, Shloka 76. Rajan samsmritya samvadam imam adbhutam keshavarjunayor punyam rishyami cha muhurmuhu.
Chapter 18, Shloka 75 and 76. Sanjay openly acknowledges his indebtedness to Sri Ved Vyas. He is grateful to Ved Vyas for having given him this wonderful chance of listening to his supreme and most profound yoga. Vyasa had approached Dhritarashtra to offer him the power of vision to witness the war. However, the king did not accept the offer. The king then suggested if the power could be given to Sanjay, his faithful minister. It was from Vyas that Sanjay received the special faculty to witness and listen to all that happened in the battlefield. Sanjay's joy is due to the fact that he got a chance to listen to the eternal knowledge of the Upanishads directly from the sacred lips of Lord Krishna himself. Shloka 76. Sanjay's reaction to listening to the Lord's song is described. He says, this discourse between Krishna and Arjuna, between God and man, between the perfect and the imperfect, between the higher and the lower, is at once wonderful and holy. One rejoices when one comes to recognize a definite purpose in the purposeless life of man. The study of Gita gives not only a purpose to our everyday existence, but also a positive message of hope and cheer to the world as it is universal. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.